Morning, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, more mowing today. So, gonna use Big Chongus over here. We're gonna go up to the same place we were yesterday and, you know, try to get some more beefy mowing done. And then I'll try to do some excavator stuff because my excavator's up there. Gotta fix some pig damage. So, let's get to it. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, that was in the rainforest there. Now we get to do the big open field. We'll see how much we can do. So yeah, enjoy the cruise. ladies and gentlemen. Oh, we got mud all over the tires. Just, you know that. All right, so I showed you the upper field where we mowed around. So all these individual plants, natives, are a little too closely planted together, but this was all zero turn work and tractor work. So you got up there, and then there's another field up there. I gotta get my excavator up here with the mulcher and just, I mean, push all this stuff back. Yeah, so we just got this property and more work. But yeah, this is jungle up here. It's, I mean, you see some of these trees are, ooh, buddy, super tall. Ohia trees, yep. Native Ohia trees. Pretty cool. They are kind of sensitive to equipment working around them. If you go within 10 feet, they're gonna die. Their roots don't like that at all. So, but yeah. So yeah, we've got to clear all the way back there. That's a video for another day. So hopefully I'll get some good videos of that when that happens. That'll be a few months from now, but yeah, it'll happen. But yeah, now I just got to keep this stuff clean. So I will leave you with that. As usual, please like, comment, subscribe. Appreciate it. And aloha. Thanks for watching.